Hi, my name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and welcome to Unit 2, number 26, Doorey Street, 1 mile. The home itself has just had a coat of paint, inside and outside, as well as brand new carpets. It is a genuinely decent sized 3-bedroom home. Buyers will find plenty of space. I honestly think it would be hard to be disappointed with the overall size of the property. Whilst this is a unit, it doesn't share what often units do have. It has no sinking fund fee associated with it. It has no administration fee associated with it. For those of you that just want to buy a home and not be weighed down with extra fees, then this property is probably for you. For all of you that attended the home, I hope this video is a good reminder of what you've already seen. And for those of you that can't get here, I hope this video has been at least a little bit helpful. If, of course, you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. My name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and you can contact me on 0448 418 518 at any time. Thank you so much for watching.